Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of professional-grade power tools, essential gear for every DIY enthusiast or contractor who wants to get the job done right. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you'll appreciate the value and quality these tools bring to your toolkit. Join us as we explore the 7 best professional-grade power tools that promise to enhance your efficiency and effectiveness on any job site. Let's get started. Number 1. The *** Dual Power Tool Combo Kit ** is a comprehensive package that has become a staple among professionals and dyers alike. Featuring a combination of a drill/driver, impact driver, and a reciprocating saw, this kit covers a wide range of applications while ensuring versatility. The tools are powered by a robust 20V lithium-ion battery, allowing for extended runtime and fast charging capabilities, which is essential for busy work schedules. When it comes to design, Dewalt has prioritized not just ergonomics, but also durability, making each tool tough yet lightweight. The rubber grip provides comfort during prolonged use, enhancing control and reducing fatigue. High-performance motors coupled with efficient gear design deliver outstanding torque and speed to tackle tough materials without breaking a sweat. What sets this kit apart is its impressive usability. The quick-change chuck makes swapping bits effortless, while the built-in LED work lights illuminate dark spaces, adding to productivity. The expansive compatibility with various accessories ensures that you're always covered for any task. Simply put, the Dual Power Tool Combo Kit is the foundation of a solid toolkit.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Number 2. Next up is the ** Skil Twist 2.04 V Screwdriver **, a handy tool that brings efficiency to your projects. With a sleek, compact design that easily fits in the palm of your hand, this screwdriver isn't just visually appealing. It's engineered for maximum usability. Weighing just under a pound, its lightweight nature allows for extended use without tiring your wrist. The innovative twist-to-adjust torque mode gives you precise control over screw driving, preventing over-torquing when working on delicate projects. The 4V lithium-ion battery ensures that you'll always have power when you need it, with a convenient charging system that allows you to plug it in without any complicated setups. This means it's always ready to go. One of the standout features of the Skil Twist 2.0 is the LED light, which illuminates dark workspaces, making it perfect for tight corners or under cabinets. The convenience of forward and reverse rotation enhances its functionality, and with up to 300 screws per charge, it's efficient enough for your everyday needs. If you're seeking a solid, reliable screwdriver, this is it. Number 3. The ** Armor All-Wet/Dry Utility Vac ** combines practicality with power, making it an indispensable tool for both garage and job site cleanup tasks. With a powerful 6-horsepower motor, this vacuum efficiently tackles both wet and dry messes, so you won't have to worry about what spills might occur during your projects. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand the rigors of heavy use while still looking sleek. Its 10-gallon capacity ensures you won't be constantly stopping to empty it out, which is a huge time saver. The flexible hose extends up to 7 feet, allowing for excellent maneuverability around larger spaces or tight spots. It also features multiple attachments, including a crevice tool and a floor nozzle, which enhance its functionality, making it versatile for various cleaning applications. Another impressive aspect is the filter system that ensures optimal suction and allows for easy cleaning post-use. The convenient carrying handle further adds to its user-friendly nature, making transport a breeze. Overall, the Armor All-Wet/Dry Utility Vac is a robust solution for anyone needing an all-encompassing vacuum solution that delivers results and stands the test of time. Number 4. The ** HarDell Mini Cordless Rotary Tool ** is a powerhouse of versatility packed into a compact frame. Its portable nature makes it the go-to tool for a range of applications, from engraving and grinding to cutting and polishing. The brushless motor ensures not only longevity but also quiet operation, which is a welcome feature in both home and professional environments. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, this rotary tool is designed with convenience in mind. You can take it anywhere without worrying about cords getting in the way. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing strain during extended use. The variable speed settings allow for precise control, and whether you're doing intricate detailed work or tackling tougher projects, you can adjust it to meet your specific needs. One of the standout features is the easy accessory change system that eliminates the hassle of fumbling with tools while on the job. Plus, the comprehensive kit includes a range of bits and attachments, making it suitable for a variety of crafts and repairs. The HarDell Mini Cordless Rotary tool offers a perfect blend of portability and performance, making it an essential addition to any toolbox. Number 5. Next, we have the Deko Pro Power Drill Cordless which embodies the essence of efficiency and power in a compact form. This drill features a robust brushless motor that delivers impressive torque, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. The lightweight design is complemented by an ergonomic handle, ensuring comfort during prolonged use, an essential quality for any drill. What makes the Deko Pro stand out is its dual-speed control that allows for precision drilling or fast-speed driving, adapting to whatever task you engage in. With 19+1 torque settings, you're given an array of options to handle different materials with ease, making it an excellent choice for both woodwork and metal projects. The built-in LED light and non-slip grip are thoughtful features that enhance usability, especially in dimly lit areas. Coupled with a high-capacity battery, this tool can efficiently power through dozens of tasks on a single charge. Ultimately, the Deko Pro Power Drill enables users to tackle projects with confidence, thanks to its well-thought-out design and reliable performance. Number 6. The Fanttik E1 Mini Electric Screwdriver revolutionizes the way we think about screwdrivers, offering an automated solution for small tasks. Compact and lightweight, its design is not only aesthetically pleasing but functional. This screwdriver fits comfortably in your hand and allows for precision application in confined spaces, making it a favorite among hobbyists and professionals alike. Powered by a built-in lithium battery, the Fanttik E1 can deliver up to 180 RPM, which means you can finish your tasks quickly and efficiently. The torque control system prevents stripping or overdriving, ensuring that every screw is secured perfectly without damage. Users will appreciate the USB-C charging capability, allowing for convenient recharging that fits seamlessly into modern lifestyles. With a selection of 28 different bits, this tool is designed for versatility, catering to various needs from assembling furniture to working on electronics. The LED indicator serves to simplify operation, providing a visual cue for battery life and torque settings. Overall, the Fanttik E1 Mini Electric Screwdriver is a must-have for anyone seeking precision, ease of use, and efficiency in a compact form. Number 7. Last but not least is the Avid Power 20V Cordless Drill Set a tool that perfectly balances strength and versatility. This set comes with 2 batteries, which means you can work uninterrupted without waiting for a recharge. With its brushless motor, this drill offers superior longevity and performance, providing enough power for drilling into tough materials or driving fasteners with ease. The dual-speed transmission allows users to switch between high-speed and high-torque settings with ease, accommodating a wide range of tasks whether you are working on lightweight projects or heavier construction. The 20V lithium-ion batteries ensure that you experience an extended runtime while maintaining consistent power output. The drill is designed with an ergonomic handle that provides comfort during long drilling sessions, and the built-in LED light illuminates work areas for added convenience. A standout feature is the 15+1 torque settings, giving you the control needed for any drilling application, ensuring your screws are flush without damaging the material. The Avid Power 20V Cordless Drill Set is a reliable choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, combining power, convenience, and design in one compelling package. As we wrap up today's look at the 7 best professional-grade power tools, it's clear that investing in quality tools can dramatically enhance your experience, effectiveness, and productivity on any job. Each product review delivers exceptional performance, durability, and user-friendly features that make tackling a wide range of tasks easier than ever. Thanks for joining us. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who are on the hunt for the best tools. Until next time, happy building.